Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how to convert decimal number into hexadecimal number. For this purpose we will use the division method. We will divide the decimal number by 16, the base of hexadecimal number, until the number less than 16 is left. Like 40 is decimal number, 2 cannot be divided by 16. That's why 28 is in hexadecimal number. The second example is 397, which is in decimal number. We have to convert it into hexadecimal number, so we will divide it on 16. So when we divide, the 13 is remainder. 13, for 13 in hexadecimal, D is used. Again 24 is divided by 16. Then 16 ones are 16 and 8 is remainder. So 1 cannot be divided by 16. So 1, 8 and D is the answer, or is in hexadecimal number. Like this. For 13 we will use D. The next example is 5132 is in decimal. We will use the division method. We will divide 5132 by 16. The remainder is 12. For 12 in hexadecimal number, C is used. Now 320, when we divide 320 by 16, then 0 is remainder. Again 20 is divided, so 1 and 40C is the answer. The next example is 26,295. When we divide 26,295 by 16, the remainder is 7. Again by division we get 11 as a remainder, which is B in hexadecimal number. For 11 B is used. Again by division 6 is left. So we will arrange these number and get the answer in hexadecimal number 66B7. Remember this, whenever we have to convert decimal number to any other number system, the division method is used. I hope you will learn this lecture. Allah Hafiz.